808dragon.com, almost 9 a.m. Still running, going down 38 degrees, but 9 volts, kind of hard, bro. Jackery barely get one chance. And this bugger over here already hit 40. I said, I'm freaking red light, kind of irritating me. The blue light, good. So what I gonna do over here is I gonna do this. I'm just gonna connect the lithium and watch the magic. Bam! Was bugging me a little bit. 2.3, 2.2, 12.2. Now I'm gonna disconnect them. Go check the cooler one fast one. But the red light is off for the moment.